Hi class, how you doing today? Well, if you couldn't tell, I am not in Mankato. I'm actually up in Grand Marais camping with Wilbur and doing some painting. So I was doing a couple technical things here. Hi, how you doing? That I just wanted to share with you quick. I wasn't going to make a video, I just wanted to concentrate on my painting, but I thought, while I'm doing this, and I might as well incorporate a few teaching moments. So those of you in the beginning section, I've been talking about dropping and lifting, okay? So this is a good example of where I've been both dropping and lifting paint along the top here. This is eventually going to be a painting of a photograph I took. I'm not using the photo as a reference necessarily. There's a tree right in my head. But I'm using the photo to kind of remember the moment. So anyway, I started with a clear wash across the top using my flat brush, okay? Clear wash, just water, going across clear water. And I dropped pigment, red, yellow, and orange into that wash. And then I've been lifting to create these little lighter areas. Now it might be hard to tell with the sun and the shadows and stuff. But the one thing I wanted to talk about quick with you is using dropping clear water or kind of clear water back into areas of wash. So what it does is it pushes the pigment around using water tension in a really interesting way, and depending on the texture of your paper, it creates some real interesting textural changes in the paint. Okay, so that's just one thing. And this is, you can do this, you want to get a sense of kind of when the paper is sort of halfway dry, so it's not like super wet. If it's super wet, it's just going to be water into water. But it's like right here. But over here, it's kind of dry-ish, like halfway there. So the water really creates these interesting textures as it pushes through. Hopefully you can see that. It's subtle over here, okay? The other quick comment I want to make, our next exercise is about the edge you create between, and I'll post it when I get home, but you create an edge between wet areas and dry areas that is real important. So right here I'm creating this kind of horizon line. The bottom of the painting is here, this is the top. It's going to be a horizon line. I just kind of let the edge build up. Like right here you can see how the pigment kind of settles in, because the way water dries on a paper surface, it kind of bubbles up in the middle and pigment collects towards the edge as it dries. So it's a real important thing to understand about watercolor, the process, and how you can manipulate and create interesting textural changes. Anyway, that's it. Short little video about what I'm doing right now, and I'll talk to you later.